Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to have a quick tutorial on how we can just search for a person nearby on Telegram. So Telegram has just initially just added this new feature to we can just search for friends which are nearby our area. So how we can just assist to those people, in this video we're going to learn that. So for that, just open up your Telegram, and after that just click on the three dots here, and you can see the fourth option, people nearby. Just click on that and you can see that quickly add people nearby who are viewing this session and discover local group chats. What this does, actually it will just quickly add people who are nearby you and just also help you to discover the local group chats. To access them you have to just allow access, or you can just see while using this app. Here you can see that create a local group or make myself visible, whichever you want, and just like I want to make myself visible. And here you can see the nearby people are able to just access to my account or just see my profile, but my phone number will be hidden from this. But if you really just want to just make a profile or just search for the nearby person, you have to just click on OK. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.